In 2026, you don't need $50,000 to start a business. You need less than $500 and the right idea. While most people are stuck trading their time for a paycheck, a small group of people are quietly building businesses from their bedroom, their garage, even their phone, and some of them are already making more than their old 9 to 5. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 low investment business ideas that are actually working right now in 2026. Not theory, not hype. Real models, real numbers. Stick around for number 3. It's the one almost nobody is talking about yet. Why 2026 is different. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Starting a business used to mean renting a store, hiring staff, printing business cards, and praying. That world is gone. In 2026, you can start a business with a laptop, an internet connection, and 0 employees. AI tools now do the work that used to take a whole team. Design, customer support, even video editing. That means the barrier to entry has never been lower. But here's the catch. Because it's easier to start, it's also easier to fail if you pick the wrong model. So let's break down the 5 ideas that are actually working, starting with the one that's exploding right now. Idea number 1. Print on demand. You design a product, a t-shirt, a mug, a phone case, and upload it once. When someone orders, a third-party company prints it and ships it directly to the customer. You never touch inventory, you never touch packaging. Startup cost? As low as $0 to $50. The people making real money here aren't the best designers. They're the ones who understand niches. A print-on-demand store selling generic designs to everyone fails. A store selling to retired firefighters or plant moms or girl dads. That's where the profit is. Find a specific group of people with a specific identity and sell to their pride. Idea number 2, faceless social media brand. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be a personality. You need one thing, a clear niche, and consistency. Faceless pages built around finance tips, AI tools, motivation, or even pet facts are generating thousands of dollars a month through brand deals, affiliate links, and digital products. And the person behind them has never appeared on camera once. Startup cost? Basically your phone. The real skill here isn't creativity, it's research. Find out what's already working in your niche, study the format, and repeat it with your own angle. Idea number 3, and this is the one I told you to wait for, local service arbitrage. Here's how it works. You find a service that's in high demand locally, pressure washing, lawn care, mobile car detailing, junk removal. Instead of doing the work yourself, you run the marketing, take the booking, and pay someone else a flat fee to do the actual job. You keep the difference. This model requires almost no equipment because you're not the one holding the ladder or the hose. You're the middleman who owns the customer relationship. And that relationship is the most valuable asset in any service business. Startup cost? Under $200 for basic marketing and a simple website. This works because most local service providers are terrible at marketing. You don't have to be the best worker. You just have to be the best at getting the phone to ring. Idea number 4, digital templates and Notion products. If you're organized, you can package that skill. Budget trackers, resume templates, planner systems, sold once, downloaded infinite times. 0 shipping, 0 inventory, just one good design and a platform like Etsy to sell it on. Idea number 5, reselling and flipping. Thrift stores, garage sales, clearance racks, bought low, sold high on platforms built for resale. This is the oldest model on this list, and it still works in 2026 because most people are too lazy to actually look for the deal. Startup cost for both? Under $100 to get started. The real lesson. Now here's what actually matters more than the idea itself. Every single one of these businesses fails for the same reason when people fail. They wait for the perfect idea instead of starting an imperfect one. The person who starts today with a mediocre print-on-demand store will beat the person who spends 6 months researching the perfect business model and never launches. Money isn't made in the planning phase, it's made in the doing phase. Pick one, not all 5. 1. If this video gave you an idea worth trying, hit like right now. It takes 2 seconds and it tells me to make more of these. Subscribe if you want the next video, where I break down exactly how to launch one of these ideas step by step. And drop a comment telling me which one you're starting, because saying it out loud is the first step to actually doing it. See you in the next one.